Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to be doing a press on order from start to finish. This is a set right here. It is nice and plain black colour set, so I thought I would do some tips along the way. If you're a beginner press on artist, you might be interested in this video. So first of all, I'm going to grab my tips. So these are the tips I'm going to use. They are 3XL, but this customer ordered her set in XXL. So I'm just going to trim off the bottom of them and then I'm going to buff them. So in order for your gel or your base to stick, you need to buff the shiny surface off the nail tips. So just like you would prep your nails if you were doing gel or acrylic, you need to get that shine away from the nail. And then your gel products that you apply on top will stick without peeling off. Now you can also wipe over it with acetone to remove the shine as well, but some tips are harder to remove the shine that way. So in that scenario, I just like to buff them just to make sure that the shine is completely gone. So once I have this part done, then I'm going to grab a lint-free wipe and wipe over them to get all those dust particles off the nails. So one tip I have if you're just starting your press on business is not to forget about block color sets. So whether it be like a pink block color set or a red, or like I'm doing right here, it's 3 different shades of pink. So this is what you call a pink gradient set. There's no French tips, there's no nail art, there's no 3D art, nothing like that. But these type of sets still do sell, trust me. So while it's so fun and creative to do the on trend and what's trending on Instagram and what's trending on Pinterest, don't forget about the block colour sets and have those sprinkled in amongst your sets that you offer to sell, because there's people out there who just want a block colour. They want press on nails, but they just want a block colour set. You could do this type of gradient with nudes and you could do it with pastels. It would be absolutely gorgeous in pastels for summer. But that is one tip I do have for you guys. If you're just starting off, do not forget about the block colours. Now I'm going in here with the Pure Nails UK, Halo Pure Nails UK in pink diamond, and this is going to be my glitter. This is a gorgeous sparkly full coverage leaf glitter, and I'm going to put it on the thumb and on the ring finger. So this is going to be 2 coats of this colour, and there's going to be 2 coats of every colour in this set, and I'm going to show you exactly what they look like with 1 and 2. Next I'm going to grab Pixie, and this is from the Gel Bottle Ink, and that is going to be my middle finger. So this is a gorgeous baby pink. I also take clients in real time. So I take gel clients and builder in a bottle clients, and this is one of the most popular pinks that I have. People love this colour, so Pixie is absolutely gorgeous. And for a pastel, you can see it's not that streaky at all. It goes on really nice in 1 coat and it's perfect in 2 coats. So once I have that one done, I'm going to grab the Gel Bottle Inks. It's Britney Bitch, and this is a gorgeous real Barbie shimmery pink. So the first coat of it on goes on quite jelly like, but then the second coat is absolutely stunning. So you're going to see what it's like in a second when I put the second coat on. So once I have all of these painted on, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Another tip I have, especially for this shape, is you could buy a couple of boxes of this shape starting off, the 3XL square, and trim it down. So if you need 2XL or you need XL or even long, you can trim it down, just measure it out to what you're happy with. So don't feel like you have to buy every single shape, every single size. Pick out your most popular, which would probably be square and almond right now. And almond is different, that would be harder to size down. I wouldn't recommend doing it with almond, but for this 100% you could buy a few boxes of this size right here and trim them down as you need, like whatever your requirements are, whatever you're getting orders in. Just starting off, if you start getting really busy and you feel like you need just to have everything at your disposal, then you can go in and invest and buy those other sizes. Another tip I have if you're just starting off is try and get good quality polishes that have good coverage. So maximum 2 coats is what you want to be doing, or you want to be aiming for. These polishes here all covered in 2 coats. I don't buy from the Gel Bottle Inc anymore because I don't use their builder gel system, but you can't fault the pigment in their colours. I do highly recommend Madame Glam and Glitter Bells. They are the polishes that I use mostly now. But if you want to buy from Madame Glam, I will have a discount code in the description for 35% off. And you will be thankful if you get busy and you have 2 coat coverage in your gels. The last thing you'll want to be doing is painting 3 coats of colour on every single nail just because you cheaped out and bought like a set of generic polishes. You definitely can get good quality polishes on Amazon as well, but just do your research and see what people are recommending before you splash out. That is one thing I wish I didn't do, is just buy every single set that I saw just because it was cheap and it looked pretty or the colours looked nice, and then you get them, and especially if they're pastels and they're all streaky, no, it's just not worth it. You'll save yourself so much bother in the long run, and you'll save your hands plenty of bother when you're like sitting down painting layers and layers of polish on. So yeah, that is one thing that I wish I did at the start, was not just buy everything that I saw, just kind of did my research and bought wisely. So this is how the set turned out. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Comment down below what stage you're at in your press on business, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.